What's going on, people? Apologies for the humming that you may hear in the background. It's a fan, it has to be on. It is boiling hot today. But anyway, I've just watched the first 3 episodes of Ironheart, the new MCU Disney Plus show. A show which I really wasn't that excited for. I mean, I liked Riri Williams in Wakanda Forever. I thought she was really good in that. But her own show, I mean, there's no hype there really for me. And the fact that Marvel was hardly promoting it just really made me worried that it wasn't going to be any good. But I gotta say, after watching the first 3 episodes, it's nothing great so far, but I'm having fun with it. My main issue with the show so far is that there's way too much going on. I've been very critical with Marvel shows, saying that they have a really good story that's not fit for a TV show, so they stretch it out to try and fit the format. And it just makes the story very underwhelming and like very slow and filler. But with this show, it's like they said, okay, we saw the criticism of that, so let's add in more things in there. And it's trying to do way too much. It genuinely feels like there's 2 seasons of Ironheart's story here that are just trying to cram it into 1 season because they're worried that they're not going to get a season 2. So it's like, okay, let's get all the ideas out right now. But from what we do get, I am very interested in most of the plot points. I really do like the villain so far. We don't really know much about him. There's a really big element of mystery around him. But from what we see of him so far, I am very interested. I will say he is hyped up to be this big bad and he's going to be all powerful and everything. But so far, he's not really done anything substantial. I mean, he's killed a few people, he's snapped a guy's neck. That's about it. It's not really the biggest villain threat, but overall he's okay. Riri Williams is a really good protagonist. You understand why she does the things that she does. I will say though that some of the setup towards these things felt very rushed. Like going into this criminal organisation sort of thing in just like a few seconds was a little bit but you know, whatever. I mean, from what we get, it kind of makes sense for her to go in that direction. And overall, the acting is really good as well. Dominic Thorne is really good as Riri Williams, as she was in Wakanda Forever. Anthony Ramos seems like he's having a good time in the show as well. So I have no complaints with the acting, really. So in conclusion, I enjoyed the first 3 episodes of Ironheart. They're not perfect. They do feel very overstuffed. Like there's many seasons of an Ironheart show in here. And I do think some of the setups were a little bit rushed. But overall, it left in a way where I was very intrigued to see what happens next. I do feel like there is enough to make a good show here. Maybe a bit too much, as I said, but we shall see. So overall, I enjoyed the first 3 episodes. Ironheart, episodes 1 to 3, are going to get a 6.5 out of 10.